Hi everyone, I'm Sogand. Welcome to another video with me. Today's topic is a meditation. To this video, I explain you about do true meditation. With meditation, you to fall into the habit not think a lot and not engage your mind for think. You should be just observe of your think. With meditation, you can make relationship with your mind. One of the questions is how should we know my exercise is true or not? It's simple. Like exercise in the past, when you do meditation, after some minutes, you understand, you think about another topic. At this time, you do right. Now, follow me. Sit comfortable place. Take a deep breath and exhale and inhale. Please pay attention to your feeling when you take a deep breath. Your eyes should be closed. Now, which sound you hear? Is it close or far? How do you feel now? Feel free, relax, worry, and not need change anything. Just count your breathing. Let your mind be free, not manage. When you're ready, open your eyes and again take a deep breath. I hope this exercise is useful for you. Have a good time.